Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Windham local and long distance movers near me. Once we observe that your relocation needs require moving beyond state borders or exceeding a 50-mile radius, we tag it long distance moving. Our company has helped several clients execute this type of move seamlessly, and each time, we gain more experience to improve our services for our next client. We've moved fragile, small, and even heavy items across state borders successfully without damaging or losing any of them during the process. To be on the safe side, we have insurance in place if any accidents or damages occur while your belongings are in our care. Our movers have adequate training and expertise in completing long-distance relocations in the safest, most coordinated, and timely manner. If we can handle long-distance relocations that exceed 50 miles excellently, imagine how well we'll plan and execute your local relocations. While local moves involve shorter distances, we arrange them with equal charisma and commitment as long-distance moves. Interestingly, our services are cheap. We'll only charge you between $30 to $40 per hour. We have vans that perfectly suit local relocations, and our drivers know the best and fastest roads in Windham CT to get you to your destination within the stipulated time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Windham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.